automatically, Sen would have the advantage of getting public. Why? Because of the way Sen looks. Miguel, hindi. Pareho kayong gwapo.
Parang ganun sense.
Si Sen, you would want to embrace because Sen looks vulnerable. This is the kind of, you can only do it two ways. One, you're a stud. Okay? You're Justin Timberlake. Okay? You're Ricky Martin. Okay? No, Sen, you're not. Okay? No, Sen, you're not. Miguel, kasi ang laki-laki mong tao, when you appear vulnerable, it doesn't match, it appears mabigat. Gets mo, Miguel? Because you don't look vulnerable. You look, I don't mean this to be offensive, you look like an overgrown baby.
Yeah.
Hindi ba? That's how,
You're my cousin.
You see, Miguel, you're big, but you don't post, no, Miguel, wait. Miguel, ganito yon. If a girl, okay, you agree with me, Christina, and yung girls, pag kunyari in a dark alley, nakasalubong kita, Miguel, kahit malaki kang tao, hindi ako matatakot. Because I know you're not a rapist. Okay, kahit may big kat lahat, hindi ka mukhang rapist. You look like a decent man. See? But the moment you go into, really, really heavy emotion, you alienate the audience because visually it does not match their expectations from you. Why were you so much fun on Saturday? Because you were light. The moment you go dark and you go into your, I'm not saying your vibratos are bad, but the moment you go into your vibratos, you sound old. You sound old school. Hindi ba? You sound like a singer from the 70s. Hindi ba? You sound like a singer from the 70s. Okay, pangkaan tayo Nung kinanta niyo pa, your voice quality was superior to Sen's. There's no doubt about that. But Sen's is more appealing. Sen, this is the singing vibrator. Okay? It's kasi it works rin. Now, Miguel, let's work on your case. Sit down muna, Sen. Okay? You're singing it with great longing, you want it but now, attack it differently. Usually this song is sung for a girl na andito ako and all that stuff, okay? Sing it to somebody else.
That's what I did kanina.
Who were you singing it for?
My family.
Jesus Christ, minus the drama. Okay, sing it now. Who do you love in your family? If you could sing this song to one person in their family, who would it be?
The dog.
The dog, hindi.
The dog? Who?
To make it light? Parang ganun.
No. Who would you want to sing it to?
Siguro my little sister. No?
Okay, your little sister. Sit. You sing the song to your little sister, but the context is this. You sing it to her, telling her na regardless of whether you go out on Saturday or not, you still need her love. But your little sister is just seated beside you. Sing it as if you're talking to your sister and it's just the two of you. And she's seated right there. Okay? Are you sick? Okay, ready? You talk to teacher mo net kung how you want to attack it pa. Kung you want to change some things. You're next.
Sir, parang parang lalabay na